In this video, I'll show you how to create a QR code for sharing images. With this method, you can easily share pictures using a QR code, and the best part is, it's completely free. First, go to the MeQR generator and click on the Generate QR button. From the options, select the image type of QR code, then upload your picture. Once the QR code is created, scanning it will display your image. Next, click on Download and Customize. Here, you can personalize your QR code by changing the frame, adding text below it, choosing unique patterns, or selecting corner styles. You can also add a logo, either upload your own or use an existing one, and even adjust the size of the logo. After customizing, click Download QR code and your image sharing QR code is ready to use. If you want to change the image later, it's very simple. Go to your QR codes page, filter by image type, then click Edit Content. You can replace your current image or even add multiple pictures, up to 20 inside a single QR code. Save the changes, and your QR code will be instantly updated. With this, you can share your images, promote your brand, or showcase your work easily using QR codes. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching. In the end,